During Orwell's first few years, from 1968 to 1973, Mir Alfasa, affectionately known as the Mother, directly guided the project. After her passing in November 1973, the residents of Auroville soon found themselves in confrontation with the Sri Aurobindo Society, who claimed control over the project. During this time, the community started to create and experiment with its own organizational structure based on the dream of Auroville. They were quickly met with resistance in the form of violence, legal prosecution, and threats by the Sri Aurobindo Society. In 1980, responding to requests from the residents, the Government of India passed the Auroville Emergency Provisions Act, whereby the management of all assets and undertakings relatable to Auroville were, for a limited period of time, vested in the Government of India. This is an important note, considering today's environment and the resurfacing of a religious element within Auroville. In November 1982, the Constitution Bench of the Supreme Court of India judged that Auroville did not constitute a religious denomination, and that the teachings of Sri Aurobindo only represent his philosophy and not a religion. The validity of the Act was then upheld. The Auroville Emergency Provisions Act initiated a period of renewed stability and growth. An International Advisory Council was set up under the Act to advise the Government of India on Auroville matters. We will discuss the International Advisory Council and how the Emergency Act led to the Foundation Act of 1988 in videos to come. In the meantime, violence, threats of prosecution, and religion are once again trying to determine the fate of the experiment in human unity, that is Auroville. For more information and details, follow the links in the description below. Thank you for stopping by, and please do remember to subscribe on your way out.